In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to add your Instagram link to TikTok. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. Now here you'll need to type in instagram.com/your Instagram username. Once you type in that, search for it. With that, you'll be directed to this page. So this is your Instagram link. Copy it, then close this, launch your TikTok app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to your profile page. Ensure that you are using the business account. Now click on the option Edit. You'll find the option of links. Click on that. Here you're gonna find the option of Instagram. In case you didn't find that option, click on the option Website and then paste that copied link over there. With that, the link will be available in your TikTok bio. So this way you can easily add your Instagram link to TikTok. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.